How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are inside the settings, head over to General over here. And then move into iPhone storage. In this page, head over to this application Instagram. Once you are in here, tap on Offload App. Once again, you have to click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once the app has been offloaded, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. And then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And also it might be one of the reasons that you are having the issue. In this case, all you want to do is update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, but you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the bottom right. And then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and then move into Help. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. Now in this page, you simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. You can simply write that your achievement on Instagram is not showing. Please help me to fix this issue as soon as possible. Once you have stated the problem, tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen. And then report will be sent to the Instagram support. After that, within 24 hours, they will definitely reach out to you and also come up with some solution for you. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix achievement not showing on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.